What is augmented training? Augmented training is a comprehensive, educational, and technological solution that involves a new paradigm in the vocational, technical, and industrial training of different skills, using innovative technologies, resources, and methodologies based on simulation with augmented reality and its learning management. One of the keys to understand the concept of augmented training is the Augmented Learning Management System. This software includes an e-learning platform for students, a virtual classroom for teachers, a management area for centers, and a content creator for teachers and publishers. Why augmented training? In the educational sector, it attracts young people because it is cutting-edge and intuitive technology based on the concept of gamification. In the industrial sector, it helps workers to better understand technical working procedures, so they become more productive for their company no matter the industry they belong to. In the healthcare sector, it helps doctors to teach future doctors and to show patients how a medical intervention could be. Have you found it interesting? Would you like further information? Go to www.augmentedtraining.org.